So we have learned so far about the history of the 5 years, purpose of 5 years, the S1, that is SEIRI, sorting the things, the S2, that is SEITON, that is set in order. And now it's time to learn about the S3, that is SEISO, means shining or shine the things. So in the S3 step, what you are going to do, the things which you have sorted, the good things which you have taken away from the bad things, you have kept the bad things away or unwanted things away, scrapped it out or kept it away. That good things you have now kept in order in the S2. You are set in order, properly kept. But what will happen if you do not clean it regularly? The things will start to deteriorate if it is not taken care regularly. So if the cleaning of the workplace, workstation, floors, machine equipments are not carried out regularly, what will happen? It starts to get contaminated with the dust, dirt. And again, what will happen once it is covered with the dirt, covered with the dust? It will not function properly. Secondly, you will not be able to identify the things properly. What are the boards you have made? It will be not visible. So the purpose of the S2 was it should be easily seen, can see, can take out and can return. To maintain the S2 condition, what you have to do, you have to carry out the S3, that is SEISO, shine, clean. Okay, you have to regularly clean the things so that they are maintained in the good condition. And to maintain the workplace, to sustain this practice, the workstation, workspace, machines should be cleaned, should be cleared by the owner of that area so that a sense of ownership is created. If you are working in the cabin, working in the office, it is your duty to clear your table, keep the things properly, clean the tabletop, clean your system. Many people may say it's a non-value added activity. Why I should waste my time in such activity? Instead of that, I can do some other quality work, high important job, highly important job. But if we start doing this, it is going to deteriorate our efficiency also. If we do not clean our workspace, I am not saying that we have to go and start cleaning the entire factory every day. No, it's not your job, but at least your workstation. So similarly for the operator, if he is running the machine, he is operating the machine, it's his job to clean it. And cleaning is not just the cleaning. Cleaning is inspecting also. When you clean something, actually you are going to inspect the things. That's why if it is done by the owner, it is helpful. It should not be the way of working that I will make dirt and somebody else is going to come and clean it. This attitude is not going to work for implementation of the 5 years. We have to ask the question to ourselves, how many of us makes our own bed every day? If you are not making the bed every day, if you are not cleaning, if you are not keeping the blanket or the bed sheets properly every day, start doing that. The 5 years implementation should start from our home, from ourselves. That is necessary for the long-term sustenance. How we are going to carry out the SEISO, cleaning shining activity? It's very simple. We have to clean our workspace every day. Whenever during the cleaning we find certain broken parts, instrument, unnecessary things can be found out during that only. If at all it is being kept, by mistakenly you can find out, oh, it is unnecessary. Let us tag it out and keep it separately. If a machine operator is cleaning, basically he is finding out the leakages, air leakages, oil leakages, noise, vibrations, misalignment, whatever abnormalities are there, they can find it out and they can set it right. So ultimately this activity is going to help them in carrying out their job properly, and this is how it is going to help in improving the productivity also. There is a fundamental called CLIT in the TPM. What they do in that, basically C is for the cleaning, CLIT, it's a part of the autonomous maintenance. Cleaning, lubrication, inspection and tightening, these are things to be regularly done by the machine operators, machine owners, because when they clean they can find out the leakages, they can correct it, they have to lubricate it every day. Inspect it means lubricate in the sense, if lubrication is necessary then only, some rotating parts are there, lubrication is necessary, they will inspect visually or with the help of some instruments, and wherever there is some loosening is noticed, they will tighten it. So clit is a part of a TBM. So at least we have to do the cleaning. Rest of the things, okay, other parts are being taken care of in other improvement activities. So that's all about the S3, that is SEISO, cleaning and shining activity. Let's learn about the S4, that is SEIKETSU, standardization, in the next chapter.